Whether you lease or own, it's crucial your facility has safety infrastructure that works in the real world, not just on paper. Industrial landlords often require their sites to be returned to original condition, which for you can result in lengthy and costly concrete repairs and operational disruption. This practical approach extends to how safety is installed in leased facilities, when often make-good obligations are overlooked until it's too late. FlexGuard is designed with this in mind, offering industrial-grade protection for today while allowing operational needs to change when relocation, reconfiguration, or removal is required. For facility operators seeking a balance between lease conditions and effective industrial asset protection, FlexGuard provides a future-proof solution. You may be wondering, what makes FlexGuard unique? Can't any physical barrier be removed or relocated if needed? This here is called an expandable anchor bolt and is a permanent fixing commonly used across many metal barrier installations. Now, it is not necessarily how it is installed, but what is left behind on the floor after it is removed. Once you remove the bolt, it leaves behind an exposed wedge in the concrete, which has to then be cut back and grinded down level with the floor. Not only does this leave a more undesired floor look, but it introduces a hot tool element, which may not always be ideal or practical. FlexGuard is impact tested and installed using hex head expansion bolts. These bolts are designed for high-strength fastening in concrete or masonry and allow for easy installation and removal. When the hex expansion bolts are removed, the expansion wedge stays in the concrete but below the surface, meaning that the floor can be easily grouted and becomes virtually undetectable. Now, this information is crucial for operators who are in leased facilities. This means that the barriers can simply be removed and relocated as operations grow. FlexGuard can be easily packed up, palletized, and relocated to a new site. As an end-to-end safety provider, we will work with you all the way from site assessment through to installation. We will come to your site, assess your needs, and recommend safety infrastructure in line with standards and your operational needs. Get in touch with a barrier group safety expert to see how FlexGuard can safeguard your facility.